Hello everybody, let's find another one me.
Hi Tanner. Hi Tanner.
I
How many oranges do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. How many apples do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 28.
How many pears do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10.
How many colors do you have?
Orange, red, green. Orange is orange. Apple is red. Pear is green. Okay.
Okay, what is 2 oranges and 2 apples?
4.
Are equal.
4.
4. Can you show me how to do it?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I said oranges and apples, not pears.
4.
Can you hold them up? What is 1 plus 3 equal?
4.
Good job. What about 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 equal?
7.
Good job. What about 5 plus 5 equal?
10.
10 plus 7 equal?
18, 19, 20.
No, 10 plus 7 equal?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many?
17.
Good job. What about 100 plus 100 equal? 200 plus 200? 1000 plus 1000 equal?
2000.
Oh my god, you are so smart. Good job, Tanner. What about 5000 plus 5000 equal?
10,000.
Oh my goodness, you are so very smart. Okay, let's do numbers.
Five. One, two, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 10. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.